Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the last video we discussed about the phonological similarities, जिसमें हमने साउंड्स के हवाले से बहुत ही मुख्तसर आपको बताया था कि try to pick up the real accent of English language and try to listen from the natives or in the original or the right accent, because the listening is the input. जब उसका आउटपुट आता है तो पता चलता है कि आपका लेवल ऑफ स्पीकिंग क्या है, right? Because now a lot of the people, they just want to speak the language, right? They do not want to go into the grammatical technicalities or in the detail, right? They just want to speak it out. So the listening is the input, right? And speaking is the output of the language. तो आज जो मैं उसी टॉपिक के हवाले से एक छोटा सा टॉपिक vowels के हवाले से a general mistake which we do, or the people who do not know about the sound or the rules, they speak wrongly. Today I will just give you one tip, right? Vowel. Now the words are written here. Generally इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे आप? Peter. इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? Corner. इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? Tower. इसको पढ़ेंगे teacher. But there's a little mistake, a tiny mistake. वो क्या है? जब भी वाउल किसी एंडिंग वर्ड के बाद वाउल का साउंड, जैसे इसमें आर से पहले अगर वाउल साउंड प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, राइट? पी, दैट इज नॉट पी, वी डिस्कस इन द फर्स्ट वीडियो और द लास्ट वीडियो. दिस इज पी, टर. बट आर से पहले अगर वाउल साउंड आ गया है, ई, पी, वाउल साउंड निकल रहा है. नर, वाउल साउंड निकल रहा है. टॉवर, वाउल साउंड. सो ये लास्ट वर्ड है, you will not produce the sound of the last alphabet, right? This is Peter, corner, tar, and teacher. नहीं, teacher. R का साउंड प्रोड्यूस नहीं होता. जब भी किसी वर्ड से पहले वाउल साउंड प्रोड्यूस होगा, then you will not pronounce or give the sound of the last alphabet. So generally that I'm standing at the corner, no corner, right? Tar. Look at the tar, right? It's not ER. So generally we do the mistakes, or generally when we listen to the natives or from the natives, so they speak in such a way, the Peter, अब आप ढूंढ रहे हैं Peter, right? And the word is, as it is being delivered by the native, is Peter, corner, and tar, and teacher. यहाँ पे एंड हो गया, टीचर नहीं है. हम इसका साउंड निकालते हैं एंड में, ये इसका क्या निकालते हैं? दैट इज Peter, right? From Urdu, as I told you. इसका निकालते हैं टावर. इसका निकालते हैं टीचर, आर का साउंड. इसका निकालते हैं कार्नर, that is in Urdu, corner, right? So look at the difference, right? And try to listen to the native in such a way that you must know the rules, so that it will be quite easy to understand their language, how they're speaking. So in the listening, we have certain skills, right? We must know some of the basic things, right? How we're pronouncing the alphabets in English, and how do we speak our mother tongue, right? So there's difference, and there's some of this that phonological similarities in the language. We have these similarities in the language, but we don't practice, we don't deliver उसकी वजह ये होती है कि हम जब इस तरीके से बोलना शुरू करते हैं तो लोग अक्सर मजाक उड़ाते हैं, कहते हैं ये अंग्रेज़ बन रहा है, या हंसने लगते हैं. Don't bother. Don't worry about them, right? Because you are learning the language and try to practice these things, right? And try to speak. And the very easy way is that when you listen to something, try to write it down and try to record it and try to speak it out. Learn it by heart and try to speak it out, right? So आसान तरीका, ये चूंकि इनपुट है listening, इस इनपुट को save in your mind and try to speak it out again and again so that you would be used to. जब ब्रेन में आपके, माइंड में आपके इसकी बेस बैठ जाएगी तो आप जब स्पीकिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे you will speak in a very decent way, and that is the right of the language. That is the right of the language. जुबान का हक है कि उसके जो उसूल है उसके तहत उसको बोला जाए और वैसे ही तलफ़्फ़ुज़ की अदायगी की जाए, क्योंकि तलफ़्फ़ुज़ की अदायगी से ज़ुबान की खूबसूरती है, right? The beauty of the language is in its own accent. While you speak in Arabic, try to speak in its original way. While you speak your own mother tongue, so please don't alter the sound, right? So this is the basic thing I told you, right? It will help you out in your listening skill. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video with the next topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.